Let them get a free throw challenge.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Really?
Yeah.
How long you been playing?
Like
20 years.
yeah,
What
20
age
years.
What age did you start playing?
Yeah, and 5 years ago.
5 years?
Yeah.
You learned 5 years
I'm
ago?
the best. I'm the best.
The best.
Yeah.
This man started everything 5 years ago. He started lifting weights 5 years ago. Playing soccer. Let's do it.
All right, let's go.
Hey, is this soccer or football?
Yeah.
Football.
So
This is soccer or football?
can you use this? No problem.
Huh?
Yeah.
You can say soccer too?
Huh?
Bet, let's do it. What we got? So 1-on-1?
You're in the goal.
I'm gonna go.
You're in the goal. Everybody's sideways. Go on the side. Go on the side. Line up on the side.
Go on the side, on the side, on the side. Everyone come here.
Yeah, Ashton Small said he can cook me. He said he can cook me.
Hey. Come down a little bit. Come down a little bit. You got, hey, you got.
Say?
Back up. Hey, back up.
Ah.
Hey, listen. Hey, don't take it easy on him.
Yeah.
You hear me? You better go harder on him than you do on me.
Yeah.
5 for 5. 5 for 5.
Let's do it.
Let's get it.
Let's do this. Come on.
Ashton Small said he could beat me in soccer.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
This for the World Cup.
Yeah.
This for the World Cup.
Hey.
Okay. Nah, bump that. That's fluke, man. We going again.
That's one for one.
I give you
Let's
one.
go.
I give you one.
That's 1 for 1. Let's
We
go.
doing
Let's
best of
get
5. Best of 5 though.
Come on, 5. Let's go. Come on.
Ash, you better lock in.
Let's go.
Oh, get it.
Say. Oh, say
cross?
that's me.
That cross?
That's my point.
That cross?
Oh, it crossed.
Hey, cross?
VAR.
2 for 2?
In the World Cup in Rwanda 2026, we got Ashton All-American.
Wanda.
Let's go.
Wanda.
This was inside the World Cup. Come on, Ashton.
Hey. Ba.
That's what we doing? Y'all on his team, huh? Y'all on his team? I thought y'all was on my team.
Let's go.
Y'all on my
That's
team?
3 for 3.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
2 more.
Yeah.
Y'all gotta hype me up.
Come on. 2 more.
Hype me up.
Come on. 2 more.
Hey, look. Hype me up. Come on, hype me up.
Ashton Small.
Let's get it. Come on.
Small.
The ball too small.
Hey. That's the one.
Hey,
Yeah.
ball too small.
Let's
The
go.
ball too
Let's do
small,
it.
bro.
4 for 4. Let's go. Let's get this last one.
I'm blocking this one on everything I love.
Let's go.
I'm blocking this one on everything I love.
Let's go.
Ashton.
Hey,
4 for 5.
1 for 4? 4 for 1?
4 for 5.
4 for 1? I'll take that. Take that. Or 4 for 5. My bad. 4 for 5. Hey, y'all played a little game. Y'all 20 ready for the game.
Better get out of here.
You good. Did you
I'm
play?
the best. Yeah, so football is my favorite game.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you play like coming up? Did you play in the league?
Yeah.
You play with-
No. I'm just not playing the league. Because
play
I'm
with
just
other
play
people?
Because it is my favorite.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah. I sometimes try to play with with other
So
people.
push-ups in football.
Yeah, push up and football.
That's your main thing.
Yeah.
That boy different.
He did the same thing to me.
That boy.
Hey, how many I blocked? 1?
Y'all play?
Yeah. How many I blocked?
Really? Y'all blocked a couple? You blocked a couple?
How many I blocked? I didn't block. I didn't block any.
Nah, I think you blocked me like 1.
I think I blocked 1.
I'm supposed to finish with a dunk. I forgot to dunk.
Oh.
But I'm heavy right now. I probably ain't gonna do it. Come on, let's slide. That's bad.
For sure. All of us.
I thought I was gonna pass out.
That was dope. How you feel?
Yeah.
That boy just getting started. He said he wanted 6-on-6.
That boy sweating.
That boy said I want a 6-on-6 right
Hey,
now.
you worked out today?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
Just make a push up only that.
Push-ups?
Yeah. Push up.
How many push-ups every day?
Every day,
How many push-ups?
100 per day. Every day.
100?
Yeah, 100 every day.
Really?
Yeah.
But you do 100 easy though. That's easy for you.
So it's just like a physical exercise for me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And then you lift weights too?
In this time, cause I don't go gym that side.
You don't go. You don't have a gym?
Yeah. I just use the some things which has helped me to make my trips and
Really?
yeah, I don't
So-
go in the gym.
Push-ups only?
I just make push up and the
So you
other things that
you
yeah.
do calisthenics.
Calisthenics.
Calisthenics. Calisthenics, no weight. That means you're just doing push-ups, dips,
Yeah.
pull-ups a little bit. Calisthenics.
Yeah.
That means you don't do any weights.
All body weight.
All right, chat. We out. We out. Hey, love, man. Appreciate y'all boys, man.
You got a group picture?
Yeah, group picture, group picture, group picture. Love, love, love. Group picture, everybody. Huh? You want to build the lats? You only do what? You got to go to the gym. Tell them get in the gym. You got to find a gym to go to. The kids don't know how to do it. Hey, where's the cameraman? Picture, picture. Oh, you got it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2.
One more.
One like
Hey,
this, one like this.
flex up. Hey, Ashton on 3. Ashton on 3.
Everybody flex.
Flex, flex,
Everybody flex.
Ashton on 3. Ashton on
No,
3.
say Africa. Africa on 3.
Ghana.
Ghana.
Ghana on 3. Ghana on 3.
3,
1.
2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Love. Beautiful.